the install of this waterfall faucet that I got from Amazon. So I had to make my hole. This is not the standard size of a faucet hole. This is bigger than 1 3/8. So if yours is a standard hole, you are going to have to widen it. And I showed people in another video how I did that with the diamond bit. To start this install, we have to remove the old supply lines, and if you have this tool, it will work perfect. As I ran into a little snafu trying to put this faucet in, you can see the hole that's usually the standard size hole is 1 3/8, but this opening for the new faucet that I'm using is bigger. So I have to open and widen the faucet. After a little bit of research, I found this bit. Where is it? Can you see it? This bit. And this is the bit that requires some water with it. And I was told that as long as we don't allow it to heat up, then the porcelain won't crack. So I'm going to try it out and let you guys know it works. I used a spray bottle with water to keep it wet. Use the diamond bit to widen this hole, and as you can see, it is going in. That's all I needed it to do. Yay! So it works. This diamond bit, you have to definitely pack your patience with it. Your hole might not be perfect, but that's okay. This is the install. My plate is on. This is the plate. The black, there are 2 rings that you get with the faucet. The clear plastic ring and this black ring. So this is how you put it on. You put your plate down here. Take this black ring with the ridges faced up. Put the rings in, slide them up. Mind you, these 2 water supplies right here are screwed into the top of here. Right here. So this goes flush on here. Once that's flush on there, like such, I'm then going to take this piece and this ring, and I am going to put this ring on top like so, and then I'm going to go underneath and push it up so that I can screw it. Now inserting. Just a quick tip, thread the actual faucet feature, tighten that one first, and then tighten from underneath second. Once that is on, it helps. Tight. Then I'm going to go underneath and actually connect the water supply lines. Now I'm connecting the water supply lines back up. Remember, this is hot. It's already has my red piping over here, and the blue is over here. So use a wrench to make sure it's tight, but not too tight, because you can bend the actual valves. Everything is nice and tight. So here's the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Boom! Make the builder. Don't play with us. Don't play with us. Oh, don't play with us. Don't play with us. Don't play with us. Hey, don't play with us. Don't play with us. Oh. Yes, yes. Hot, hot. Do you want to wash your hands? Sure. Go in the bathroom. Wash your hands.